my dear students, everyone, welcome back to Tapasya Institute. This is SUHAS Gowda, your chemistry master teacher. Students, how are you all? I hope everyone is safe and doing extremely great, my dear students. Students, in this today's video, we are going to discuss the next year paper. Before starting the next year paper, let me know in the chat section, my voice is clearly audible and my PPT is clearly visible and your SUHAS sir face is visible. Let me know in the chat section. And how was the Josh, my dear bacho? How was the Josh? Let me know in the chat section. My dear students, let me know the chat section. Let me know in the chat section how was the Josh. Okay, I hope it's the voice and the PPT is clearly visible and the voice is clearly audible. My dear students, look here. We are already done with a complete set of 2024. First, I start with the chemistry, then physics, then bio. Shantanu sir, Dr. Shantanu sir completed a bio. Then after that, come with the physics. Correct. Now, next we start with the 2023 with the Vandana ma'am. Vandana ma'am completely done the 2023 paper, and I hope you all guys cleared in the entire bio concepts. Now it's the time for the chem. Students, in the case of a chemistry, here in 2023 we have a few questions from the solid state. I am giving you which is the exact syllabus pattern. I hope you guys or watch the video. It is already posted in our group, Tapasya group. Correct na? Tapasya YouTube channel. It's already posted. Please check once again. Okay, my dear students, come on, let's move for the 2023. You already know na our hashtag Namma Tapasya NEET ko jeet. We need to beat the NEET, my dear bacho. Now let's start with the first question. What is the first question? Sir, first question is very simple. Which of the following reaction will not give primary amine as the product? Okay, primary amine, matlab kya hai? What is the meaning of primary amine? It is very simple. RNH2 na. RNH2, it is the primary amine. In this reaction, which will not give the primary amine? Very simple. Let's start with the first one. Yeah, what is the named reaction? This is one of the named reaction now. What is the name of the reaction? The name of the reaction, bromine in the presence of KOH. Hoffman bromo degradation. What it will get? We will get a methanamine. Correct na? As it is a primary amine. Then the second one, CN, LIH. What is the meaning? We will get ethanamine. Correct na? It is also primary amine. Correct na? Primary amine. Reduction, simply reduction. If you come for this, again it is reduction, you will get the again primary amine, but not in the case of a isonitrile. Isonitrile, what is the isonitrile meaning? Here, NC group. Isonitrile compound, whenever you do the reduction for a isonitrile compound, this thing is coming. And you must and should be know about the another important thing here. If you primary amine, carbalamine test here, carbalamine test, primary amine undergo reaction in the presence of chloroform, in aqueous KOH, what you will get? You will get the one of the bad smell. It is your isonitrile compound, carbalamine test. You must and should be know about this one, primary amine. We need to, and also Insenberg reagent, you must and should be know Insenberg, benzene sulfonyl chloride. Correct na? Benzene S4OCl. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine not given the reaction, what it will happen? Replace. We need to replace. And also we need to dissolve in a reagent which is the base na. Now we are moving for the next question, my dear students. First question is clear. First question is clear. Easiest question, guys. I am telling very important point here. 2023 paper is there now. It is very easy in the case of chemistry. Every time it is easy only. Look here, my dear bacho. Next question. It is actually from your P block elements. Okay. Here, match least 1 and 2. Actually, in this time, in your P block elements, students, you must and should be know about the pattern. Syllabus. Exactly, they are only mentioning only general properties like atomic radius and the remaining one. They are not mentioning about the compounds of the compound of the 13th block, 14th block, 15th block, like that. They are not mentioning. Here, my dear students, actually this is out of syllabus question. It's okay. We can discuss. Easy question. Look here, coke. Where we are using coke? Obviously, we are using as a reducing agent. Correct na? Coke, it is used as a reducing agent. Next, it will come for the fullerene. Yeah, which is one fullerene? It is cage like a molecule. Then if you come for the graphite, what you will get? You can easily answer by using only A3. Here you can easily remove the 1 and 2. Students, I always suggest you guys, please go with the elimination method. It is easy to get the exact correct answer and it will save your time. Okay, if you come for this one, my dear students, A3, B is 1, Then after that C4 na, C4, the answer is option 3. You can easily say diamond. What is the diamond? Diamond, in every diamond molecule carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Correct na? Like this it is arranged. That's why diamond is the hardest non-metal. Hardest non-metal, and it is non-conductor. All carbon atom attached, there is no lone pair. That's why it is a best non-conductor. But in the case of a graphite, it is completely different. Graphite, obviously we use it for a dry lubricant. Batteries we are using. Electrochemistry, I already discussed about the cell, on that we are using. If you come for the next problem, this is the second one. What is the answer? Option B. Next question. Let's move for the next question. Here, my dear students, next question, it is your accession region question. Accession region question. Okay, the question is, here, one second. Yes, let's take the pen. Accession region is there, we already know. Given below two statement, one is labeled as accession region. Accession, metallic sodium dissolved in a liquid ammonia, giving a deep blue solution. Obviously, why? It is giving a deep blue solution which is paramagnetic. Yes, it is a paramagnetic, we already know about that. But what about the reason? The deep blue solution is due to the formation of amide. Ammonia is reacted with the sodium, it will form amide? No, it will not form a amide. Correct na? The answer is option C. R is false, reason is false, but assertion is true. What is the answer? Option C. Very easy question, guys. Next question. Okay, this is very easy. This is from your GOC. Lesson, extract of an organic compound means qualitative analysis of an organic compound. Compound, both nitrogen and sulfur are present. Okay, sulfur, nitrogen are present, which gives blood red color Fe3 plus due to the formation of. How we will identify? By using a red blood color. Which one is giving? Thiocyanate. Correct na? Ferrous thiocyanate. Option 4. Option 4 is the answer. Ferrous thiocyanate, my dear students. Very simple. Next question. It is from your electrochemistry. The question is very simple, my dear students. Look here. The conductivity of a centimolar solution of KCl. KCl conductivity they are mentioning. What is the KCl conductivity? 0.0210 per ohm per centimeter, and the resistance of the cell. They are giving a resistance. Same temperature, they are giving the conductivity and the resistance. Find out the cell constant G star. What is the relation? G star is equal to conductivity kappa into R. Kappa into R, multiply, you will get the answer. What is kappa here? 0.0210. My dear students, they are mentioning per centimeter only. Why? Because they are giving in a value in a per ohm and per centimeter. Sometimes they are, where is the SI unit? On the time you need to multiply with a value. You need to know about how to convert per centimeter to per ohm. I know you already know because you are the physics students, guys. You can know entire thing. You are the Tapasya students, don't worry. 0.0210 into, what is that one? 60. If you multiply this one, you will get a 1.26 as an answer. 1.26 per centimeter. What is the answer? 1.26 per centimeter, my dear students. I hope it's clear. Next question. Again, accession region question is there. What is the accession here? A reaction can have a zero activation energy. Can have. Yes sir, can have. It can have a zero activation energy. What is the reason? What is the reason they are giving? The minimum extra amount of energy absorbed by a reactant molecule so that their energy become equal to the threshold value is called activation energy. Yes. My dear students, whenever you plot the graph, potential energy versus time, what it will happen? Energy. Correct na? Why? What is actually product? How? This is completely based on your collision theory. What it will happen? It will follow the KTG, kinetic theory of gas. First, reactant molecule collide themselves. Then what it will happen? This energy is called as an activation energy gap. They need to be greater than this energy. Then only it will convert it as a product. This is called as a energy barrier, also activation energy. Correct now? The energy, the minimum energy required now, this is called as activation energy. The definitions is correct, but what is the relation between these two? Any relation is there, my dear students? No sir, there is no relation. That's why the answer is option B. Means both accession region. Yes, obviously reaction can have zero activation energy, means it will produce or it will proceed in within a second. Within instant time it will proceed. For those have activation energy 0, react into product within a second. But in the case of activation energy, definition is there, both are same, but reason, it is related. No, reason is not related. Reason is not related, my dear bacho. That's why the answer is option B. Next, moving for the next very easiest topic. It is actually from your surface chemistry, heterogeneous catalyst. He catalyst, but you learn this catalyst in the case of activation energy, but the topic is exactly from your surface chemistry. In the 2023 we have many topics. 2010 we hope they are reduced some topic. Now they are reduced more topics, then further on they will reduce, then subject it will become very small, and whenever they reduce the content now, whenever they reduce the topics now, the difficulty level is increases, my dear students. The question is, which one is an example for heterogeneous catalyst? What is the meaning of homo and hetero? Homo means same. Hetero means different. Homo means same. Hetero means different. Here, look here, guys. Here, you have one reaction, reactant to product. If the reactant and product are on one phase, for example, gas phase, if you use a catalyst, it is a gas. It is homo. If you use a catalyst, it is a solid or liquid, it is hetero. Let's move for the options. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide, SO2 to SO3. Okay, yeah, SO2 to SO3 in the presence of oxides of nitrogen. Hey, oxides of nitrogen is also gas. All are gas. Then it is homo. It is homo, not the hetero. Then wrong answer. Second one, hydrolysis of sugar catalyzed by H plus at. It is also wrong answer. It is also homo. Next one, decomposition of ozone in the presence of nitrogen. Arey yaar, again the same thing. Again the gaseous, same catalyst, same phase catalyst. Answer is wrong. Then the remaining in option 4 only. Combination between dinitrogen and dihydrogen to form ammonia in the presence of N2 plus H2. It will form ammonia. Haber process. They are simply mentioning a Haber process. Okay, Haber process. By using iron as a catalyst, then the answer is option 4. Very easy. Option 4 is the answer. Very simple. And guys, please do not forget to like the video and share the video for your friends and also comment the answer in the comment section. You will get some good gifts from your SUHAS side. If the students giving a correct answer, now they will get one of the best prize for your KCT and the NEET crash course. I will give you one best offer for that one. My dear students, look here. Next question. This is the given compound. Here in the given compound, we have one allo molecule. It is exactly from your alloalkanes. It is an example of. My dear students, we already know in the case of halides, we have depends upon the number of halide group. Mono, di and poly, and also where it attached depend upon that. Especially we have a allylic, vinylic, benzylic. Vinylic means what? It is directly attached for the double bond. Allylic means allo group directly attached for a double bond. It is called as a vinylic. Allylic means one double bond. The carbon attached for a double bond. This carbon contain a halo group. This carbon contain a halo group. This is called as a allylic. This is called as a vinylic. And benzylic means what, my dear students? What? CH2 X. This is benzylic. Here, my dear students, look here. Benzylic no. Aryl no. Vinylic no. The answer is allylic. Why? Look here. Double bond. The halogen attached for this carbon attached for the double bond. This carbon attached for the double bond. Then this is example for your allylic halide. This is example for your allylic halide, my dear students. I hope it's clear. Easy questions. Now, again, organic chemistry. What is the question? Identify the product in the following reaction. Come on, let's identify the product. Here the first one, what is the first step? Here they are giving a BDC. BDC, Cu2Br, means cupric bromide. Which of the named reaction? What is the named reaction of this one? Sandmeyer. My dear bacho, Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction or Sandmeyer reaction, what it will get? We will get bromobenzene. what we will get? Bromobenzene. Further on, Mg in the presence of dry ether, RMgX formation, Grignard reagent formation, MgBr. Then after that, further on, hydrolysis. What we will get? We will get phenol. What we will get? Phenol. The answer is option A. The answer is option A. Correct now? Let me know in the chat section. The answer is option A. Yes. The answer is option A. Look here guys. I hope it is clear. First step, Sandmeyer reaction, bromobenzene in the presence of Mg dry ether, Grignard reagent. Further on, hydrolysis for the Grignard reagent. What you will get? You will get the phenol molecule. You will get the phenol molecule. Very simple. You will get the phenol molecule. Next, move for the next question. The next question. Again, you come with the accession region question, guys. Accession region questions are the easy, but you need to identify which is accession, which is region. The correct explanation, that is very important. Yes. Sorry guys, due to some technical glitch, this thing is happened. Now the next question is, look here. We have a accession region question. Accession, what is the accession here? Helium is used to dilute oxygen in diving apparatus. Obviously correct na, helium gas. It is also one of the application of a Henry's law. Second reason, what is the reason? Helium has high solubility in O2. Yes, it is also correct. Helium has high solubility in O2. Then the accession is also correct. Reason is also correct. Any relation is there? Any relation is there, my dear students? Sir, no relation, sir. There is no relation between accession region. That's why the answer is very simple. Accession is true. Reason is true. But it is not the correct explanation. What is the answer? Option B. Option B is the answer. Now next, move for the next question. This is from your biomolecules. My dear students, look here. What is the question? The question is, they are giving you two statements here. You need to give the answer. What is the statement one? A unit formed by the attachment of a base to first position of a sugar is known as a nucleoside. Correct now? Nucleoside. Nucleoside. Then the second statement, when nucleoside is linked to a phosphorus acid at 5. No, not at 5. Same position. Same position, we will get a nucleotide, phosphate group. Correct na? Nucleotide, we will get the same one. Nucleotide for the same one, but not for the same. Then according to that, my dear students, what is the answer? The answer is, first statement is true, second is false. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Thank you for this, sir. Thank you so much for, sir. Thank you for everyone for the support. Thank you. Next question. It is from your atomic structure. The question is, what is the question, my dear students? The question is, the relation between Nm means number of permissible values of a magnetic quantum number, Mn value. For the given value of a azimuthal quantum number, L and M, they are asking, what is 12 is equal to M minus N? 12 is equal to M minus N. It is nothing but L is equal to Nm minus 5. Very simple. Very easiest question. Even first year students also know. How can our students it's not know? The answer is option A. Option A is correct. Very easy. Next question, my dear students. Okay, this is from your chemical bonding octet rule. Lewis structure. The question is, among the following, the total number of species not having 8 electrons around the central atom and in its outermost shell, which one do not contain 8 electrons? Okay, come on, let's start with the ammonia. Ammonia valence is 5. 3 electrons from hydrogen, then it will satisfy. Then the next move for the second one. Ammonia, it's already satisfied. Ammonia, it can satisfy. If you come for the AlCl3, how many electrons are present in its valence shell? 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then it is hypovalent. Hypovalent means lower than the 8. 1. If you come for the BeCl2, obviously exception. CCl4, no, CCl4, it is completely filled. 8 electron is there. If you come for the PCl5, phosphorus family of a nitrogen. 5 electron in its valence shell. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Here, my dear students, this is the example for a hypervalent. Hypervalent means more than 8 electron. Then how many species have More than 8 or less than 8, except 8. We have a totally 1, 2, 3. AlCl3, BeCl2, PCl5. The answer is option A. Totally 3 species contains more than 8 electrons and not contains 8 electrons. You can easily say. Not contain 8 electrons. Clear? Next question. Very easiest question. The correct order of energies of molecular orbitals of N2 molecule. Actually, it is from MOT. This is the relation we are going to use in your to find out the bond order. Bond order. What is the formula? Number of electrons present in a bonding orbital, number of electrons present in a anti-bonding, overall divided by 2, Nb minus Na by 2. Correct, my dear bacho, bond order. In this case, we already know here, if the total number of electron is lesser than or equal to 14, we have a one relation. Greater than 14, we have another relation. For the lesser than 14, we are using a sigma 2p set after the pi 2px and pi 2py. That's why the answer is option A. If for a O2 molecule, which is correct? This option B. For a N2 molecule, the option A is correct. Why? My dear students, you can use this trick also. N2, 3 na. Here count. 2, 4, then 6, 8, then 10 electron. Here 10 electron in the bonding orbital. If you come for the anti-bonding orbital, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 4, 6 into 10, 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Anti-bonding 2, 4, 4 by 2 means 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. You will get the answer. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. You will get the answer. Clear, my dear students? Any doubts? It is an easy question. Now, next come for your next question. It is also from your GOC. Very easiest question. The question is, the number of sigma bonds and the pi bonds and the lone pair of an electron in pyridine respectively. Pyridine, heteroaromatic compound, 6-membered compound containing nitrogen in the circle. Correct na? Heteroaromatic compound. This is the actual structure. Here we have a one lone pair. In option these two are do not contain a lone pair, then remove those one. Here we have a 1 lone pair. If you come for the pi, how many pi bonds we have? 3. Then remove the option 3. Sorry, remove the option 4. Then choose the option 3. Very easy. Within a 30 seconds, within a 10 seconds, you can easily choose the answer. Students, the main thing is the time consumption, time management. We are called as it. You need to manage the time, my dear bacho. Manage the time. You will get the very good marks. Next question. It is also from your chemical bonding. Intermolecular forces or forces of attraction and repulsion between a interacting particles that will include. We are going to choose which are the intermolecular forces. First one, dipole forces. Correct na? Yes, it is intermolecular. Dipole forces, it is intermolecular. Option A. Option B, dipole induced dipole forces. Yes, it is also a part of a dipole only. Correct. Hydrogen bonding, obviously, between the two molecules. Covalent bonding and the dispersion forces. Covalent bonding is not the intermolecular. It will be between a molecule, but dispersion forces are the intermolecular. The answer is option 3. Very simple. Option 3. Very simple. What is the answer? Option 3. Next question, my dear students. Which of the following statements are not correct? Here we need to use or we need to choose incorrect statements, my dear students. Look here, guys. Option A. Hydrogen is used to reduce heavy metals of oxide to metals. Obviously, actually it is from your metallurgy. It is already removed. But we are knowing hydrogen easily. That's why we are using. And this is also a question from your S block element. Then heavy water is used to study reaction mechanism. Obviously. Correct. Then hydrogen is used to make a saturated from oils. Correct. Yes, correct, sir. Next D. The hydrogen-hydrogen bond dissociation enthalpy is lowest as compared to a single bond. Obviously, it is wrong. D is wrong. If you come for the E, hydrogen reduces oxide of a metal that are more active than iron. No. Lesser active than iron. Why? Because in a reactivity series, after iron, our hydrogen is coming. That's why. The answer is option 3. Totally D and E are the fake or incorrect statements. Now, it is from your polymers. It is already removed from your syllabus. But let's see the answer. Which among the following molecule of a polymerization produces neoprene? Option this one. Halogen molecule. Okay. Actually, haloalkanes. In haloalkanes also, I already discussed this one, polymer form, N form. Very simple. Next question, my dear students. What is the next question? The element expected to form a largest ion to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. Largest ion means ionic radii. Correct now? Ionic radii we already know. Ionic radii is directly proportional to the charge. Here, oxygen can have a capacity to form a 2 minus, plus 1, 1 minus, 3 minus. Here, which is have a more charge? Nitrogen. Then the answer is option C. Option C. Next question, my dear bacho. Again, it is from your first chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. The question is, select the correct statement from the following. You need to choose the correct statement. First option E. Atoms of all elements are composed of two fundamental particles. True. No, sir. 3 particles. Electron, proton, neutron. Actually, we consider 3. Answer option A is wrong. Here, incorrect statement. Everywhere A is there almost. We need to choose correct. Yeah, we need to choose correct. That's why you can easily remove 1 and 3. Remaining 2 and 4. The mass of the electron, as it is correct, B. Here we have a B, then the answer is option 4. Very simple. All C is a correct answer. Protons and electron collectively known as nucleons. What are nucleons? Proton and neutron. Proton and neutron collectively called as a nucleons. That's why option D is also incorrect. Then the answer is option B. Sorry, option D. Now the next question, my dear students. It is from your alcohol. Consider the following reaction. Identify the product. HBr, they are not mentioning any peroxide here. Then it is follows a Marconi rule. Marconi rule na, how it will follow? Come on, look here. I will show you. Here, my dear bacho, my dear students, here we have a secondary alcohols na. It will react with the HBr. What it will happen? It will hydrolyze as H plus and Br minus. First, this H plus attract the proton. In this case, we need to show like this. This bond is took by this one. Then it will form a carbocation in the first step. How carbocation is forming? CH3, CH, CH3. Here, CH plus and the CH3. We already know. According to anti-Marconi rule, the negative part, it is always attacked where the carbon atom containing lesser hydrogen atom. Here in this case, both have a lesser hydrogen atom only. And also the important thing is the carbocation stability. SN1 also says that if the carbocation stability is more, if it have a more carbocation stability, it's the more, then reactivity rate is more. We need to move with the carbocation stability now. That's why here rearrangement is taken. This H is moved here. Then it will form with a rearrangement molecule CH3, C, CH3. Here it will form a positive. Then CH2, CH3. Then the negative part attack here. Then the answer is option A. Very simple, very easiest question. What is the answer? Option A. Next question. The stability of a Cu plus is more than the Cu plus salt in a aqueous solution due to. In class, whenever I ask this question, one of my student Lakshmi give the answer. Correct? What is the answer? Look here. First ionization enthalpy, nope. Enthalpy of atomization, no. Zinc have a lesser enthalpy of atomization. That you must should be know about that. Second ionization enthalpy, hydration energy. Obviously hydration energy, guys. Aqueous, they are mentioning aqueous. That's why. Why? Because hydration energy directly proportional to the charge. Which is more, plus 1 or plus 2? Plus 2. Plus 2 is the charge, more having a charge. That's why it is the answer. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Clear? Next question, my dear students. The next question is weight of 2 moles of the organic compound, okay, which is obtained by heating sodium ethonate with the in the presence of sodium hydroxide and presence of a calcium oxide. What is the answer? Let me know. Try, guys. I will drink some water. Try now, na. Try now, my dear bacho. Try now. Try now, my dear bacho. Try now, na. What is the answer? Let me know in the chat section. Here, look here. They are giving a sodium ethonate. What is the structure of sodium ethonate? Ethonate means 2 carbon atom. Ethonate means 2 carbon atom. CH3, C double bond O, O and A. This is the sodium ethonate, na? This is the sodium ethonate. Here what we doing? We are react this molecule with the sodium hydroxide in the presence of calcium oxide, CaO. Means, which is the reagent? Which reagent? Decarboxylation. Decarboxylation reaction means we are removing a CO2. Methane. What is the molecular formula of methane, guys? What is the molecular formula of methane? 12 plus 4, 16. Here they are giving sodium ethonate. Nah, we are writing wrong. CH2, CH3. Sodium ethonate. Then if you do this one, you will get the answer. It is 32. Okay, what you will get? You will get the ethene molecule. Ethene molecule is the answer. Ethene molecule C2, it's 6. 12, 12, 14. 14 plus 6, 32. Okay, C2, H6 it coming now. Yes, you will get the ethene molecule. The answer is this. Very simple one. Very simple one, my dear students. Next question. The question is, among the given options, which of the following molecules ion access a Lewis acid? We already know now what is the Lewis acid, what are Lewis pairs. Lewis acid is nothing but the compound having deficiency in the lone or electron. Means they have a capacity to accept the electron pair. Those are called as a Lewis acid. Here in all compound, OH minus have a more electron, oxygen. Wrong answer. H2O, O is there. Wrong answer. Ammonia, again lone pair is there. Wrong answer. The answer is BF3. Because boron is the 13th group element now. Totally 3 electrons we have. There is no lone pair. Then it will act as obviously Lewis acid. The answer is option C. What is the answer? Option C. Now next question. It is from your aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid topic, my dear bacho. The question is, my dear bacho, here we have a aldehyde molecule. Clear na? Zinc in the presence of mercury concentrated HCl, we will get a AH2 molecule. Zinc in the presence of mercury concentrated HCl, what is the name of the reaction? The name of the zinc mercury amalgam. It is called as a Clemmensen reduction. What we call as a Clemmensen reduction. Instead of this, if you have a NH2 NH2, Hulf-Kishnar. What is the name of the reaction? Hulf-Kishnar. Correct, na? Then here what it will happen? The corresponding aldehyde or ketone, it will undergo reduction in the presence of zinc mercury amalgam or zinc amalgam and the concentrated HCl. You will get hydrocarbon. Here all this case we have a alcohol. You can remove this. But here we have a 2 hydrocarbon. But my dear students, I am clearly mentioning you guys, oxidation or the reduction just change with the oxygen and hydrogen term, not the carbon one. Only in the case of a decarboxylation or addition, somewhere it will changes. But in the case of a oxidizing agent, or if you are using oxidizing agent, reducing agent or oxidant, reductant, nothing will happen, my dear, but nothing will happen. That's why the answer is option A. Answer is option A. Clear? Answer A is the option A. Next, the next question. It is also coming from your P block, not a T block. P block elements. The question is, taking stability as the factor, which one of the following represent correct relationship? TLCl3, TLCl. No sir, it is wrong. Students, you can easily identify these three. Either they are mentioning tellurium in two sides, two options, A and D. Either one is a correct answer. Why these two are wrong answer? Very simple. Indium they are giving. Indium I is more stable than I3. AlCl3, obviously AlCl3, 3 oxidation status plus 3, then it is more stable. Correct. Now if you come for this, tellurium, it is a most Tli is more stable than the TLCl3. The answer is option 4. Very easy, very easy. Next question, my dear students. Again we come with a homoleptic. Homo means what? Homo means same, hetero means different. Homo means same, no different, no money, no honey. Good boy goes to heaven, bad boy goes to where? Let me know in the chat section. Here, my dear students, here they are mentioning few molecules here with the IUPAC name. IUPAC name, what is the order of the IUPAC name? How we will write the IUPAC name? First, we always start with the cation. Then in ligand molecule, how many we have how many coordination number, how many ligand molecule, hexa, penta, we come with like that. Then after that, my dear students, cation, ligand, then we come with a metal atom, then the oxidation number, anion. Here look here, potassium trioxalate is there, diamine chloridone, then it is wrong answer, it is hetero. Then the third option, penta-amine carbonate, again amine carbonate, it is wrong answer. If you come for this triamine, aqua chromium. Then again it is a wrong answer. That's why the answer is option E. C2O4 they are mentioning. Potassium K, Al, C2O4 3. This is the actually answer. Homo means they contains same type of ligand. Homoligands means what? They are containing same type of ligand. Hetero means what? They are containing different type of ligands. Very simple, my dear students. Next question. Aldehyde chapter. Actually, it is an example for nucleophilic substitution. Look here. How it will do? HCN is there, H plus Cn minus. They are only mentioning Cn minus, it will attack here, OH is forming. They are mentioning this one. They are mentioning concentrated H2SO4 means dehydration reaction. Water, we are removing water here. If you remove the water, where it will form? It will exactly form here. Okay, exactly form here. Then what it will, they are doing water, Cn, water is there, cyanomolecule undergo hydrolysis in the presence of water, complete hydrolysis, what we will get? Partially amide, completely means we will get the carboxylic acid. The answer is option D. Answer is option D, very simple, carboxylic acid. Here in first step you can easily identify, my dear bacho. Here look here, second step, dehydration is happened, concentrated H2SO4. Then you can easily remove the option E and option B. Remove the option A and option B, then do the del. Whenever you remove that one, water is releases. If you have a cyanomolecule, you have a water with a cyanomolecule, what it will happen? It will undergo hydrolysis. In the reagent medium, water is there. In the medium is water is there, and then definitely it will undergo reaction. Definitely it will undergo reaction, my dear students. Then obviously it will form a carboxylic acid. That's why the answer is option D. Very simple. Next question. It is from your mole concept. The question is Kako3 question, calcium carbonate question. Look here the question, my dear bacho. The right option for the mass of CO2 produced by eating 20 gram of 20%. They are mentioning here the reaction. Look here the reaction, CaCO3. You are eating the CaCO3 at some 1200 degree Kelvin. What you are getting? Calcium oxide with the CO2. We already know calcium carbonate, our favorite Kako3. What is the molecular weight of the calcium carbonate? It is 100. 40 plus 12 plus 16 into 3. You will get the answer. 100. According to this stoichiometric relation, 1 mole of Kako3 giving 1 mole of CO2. Then here they are giving 20 gram 20% pure. Then find out how many moles of Kako3 is there. Total number of moles is equal to what is the value? Number of moles is equal to actual weight. How much weight they are giving? 20 divided by molecular weight 100. But my dear students, here one twist is there. Here you have a only 20% into 0.2 into 0.2. Cancel the 1 0 1 0. 2 into 0.2 is nothing but 0.4. Then divided by 10. What is the answer? 0.4 divided by 10. What it will you get? What it you will get? Let me know in the chat section. How much you will get? You will get the 0.04. How much you will get? 0.04. 0.04 mole of Kako3 you have. 0.04 mole of Kako3 you have. Then it will produce how many? One is produces 1 mole. Then 0.04 mole produces 0.04 mole of CO2. You are getting in moles of a CO2 here, my dear students. Then number of moles of a CO2 is there. Then how to calculate the weight? How many weight? Very simple. For a moles, multiply with a molecular weight, you will get the weight of the molecule. Then 0.04 into what is the molecular weight value? Molecular weight of a CO2 is carbon 12, oxygen 32, 44. 0.04 into 44, what is the answer? Let me know. 0.04 into 44, what is the answer? Let me know. Let me know, my dear students. Let me know. 0.04 into 44. What we will get? We will get 1.76 gram. Correct now? How much we will get? We will get 1.76 gram. How much we will get? 1.76 gram. Option B. Next question. It is from your chemical kinetics, my dear students. The question is, for a certain reaction, the rate. They are mentioning a rate of a reaction in the case of this one certain reaction. Rate R is equal to R1. Let's consider it as R1. K is equal to A power 2 power B. They are mentioning a rate law. They are using, we are always write the rate of a reaction by using rate law, not the law of mass action. It is only applicable for the molecularity, to find out the molecularity, but not for the rate of a reaction. My dear students, look here. This is the certain reaction with a rate. Then here they are asking when the initial concentration of A is tripled. Here we have a relation, we can write like this at 2A plus B. According to this, maybe it will give C something. Here only we are finding the rate value by using a reactant molecule only, concentration of the reactant. Why? Because concentration of reactant, if it's more product is more generated, that's why. Here in this case, A power 2. Here you are increasing the concentration for the thrice, means R2, what it will happen? K1, this is K1, this is become K2. A, instead of A, you need to write 3A. B, divide these two equation, what it will get? R2 by R1. R2 by R1, B get cancelled, A square get cancelled. 3 square, K1 by K2, both are same constant, you can cancel it one. 3 square means 9. R2 is equal to what? 9 into R1. R2 is equal to what? You will get 9 into R1. You will get 9 into R1, my dear students. 9 into R1 means factor of a 9. The answer is option C. The answer is what? Option C. It will increase it by factor of 9. Clear? Clear? I hope it's clear. Next, move for the next question, my dear students. Next question is, given below we have a two statements. One is labeled as assertion reason, same thing. Here assertion, in equation delta G is equal to minus NF into E cell. Value of delta G depends upon N. Obviously, directly proportional to number of moles. It will depend upon the number of mole. If delta G is negative, then it is spontaneous. Number of moles is required. For example, 1 mole it produces this much of a energy of a gift-free energy, then 2 mole it will double, 3 mole triple, directly proportional, obviously. If you come for the reason, E cell is an intensive property, intensive, extensive. What is the meaning of intensive, extensive? It will independent, then it is intensive. It will dependent, extensive, obviously. Delta G depends upon the mass, that's why it is extensive. This is not depends, that's why it is intensive. That's why both are the correct answer, but any relation is there between these two. Intensive, extensive, there is no relation, but it is an intensive, extensive property, but no relation. That's why the answer is option B. Relation is there, but there is no explanation. Sorry, there is no relation. Both are correct. Next question, my dear students. Which among the following options are correct graphical representation of a Boyle's law? This is also from your out of syllabus. On that time it is in syllabus. Now it is out of syllabus for your NEET 2025. You can easily say the answer is option B, but skip that question, guys. Guys, skip that question. It is out of syllabus. Why we need to discuss? Next question, my dear bacho. Which of the following statements are incorrect? The first, all the transition metals except scandium form MO oxides which are ionic. Exception, guys. Sc, scandium, S, it will form an ionic. Option A is correct. Option B, the highest oxidation number corresponding to the group number in a transition metals is attained in Sc2O3, Mn2O7. No, it is completely wrong. Option B, wrong? No, sir, it is correct. Yes, correct. Scandium and manganese it will obtain. Then the next question, basic character increases from V2O3, V2O4, V2O5. Amphoteric it will happen. If the oxidation number increases amphoteric, that's why option C is wrong. No, option C is wrong. V2O5 dissolves in acidic to give VO4. No, it is wrong. Then the CRO is a basic, but Cr2O3 is a amphoteric. Yes, it is correct. The answer is option C, C and D are the wrong, incorrect statements. Okay, next question. It is from your compounds. Which compounds? Coordination compounds. The question is, which complex compound is most stable? Stability. Stability is depends upon the metal atom and the ligands. If the ligand is strong field, then it is almost stable. And also ligand is chelating ligand. What is the meaning of chelating ligand, my dear students? Chelating ligand is nothing but the ligand have a capacity to form a ring-like structure with a metal atom. Here in all this case, En is the chelating ligand. We can easily choose option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Why? Because all are the cobalt only. You can consider easily with the oxidation number also. Oxidation number is more, then it is also stable, but chelating ligand is there. You can easily choose the answer. Next question, my dear students. The question is very simple. Consider the following compound species. The number of compounds which obeys Uckel rule. Uckel rule what? 4n plus 2. If it's 4n plus 2 pi electron. If it have 4n plus 2 pi electron, then it is aromatic. If this value Whenever you find out the value of this one, if n value you will get 0, 1, 2 means whole number, then it is follows Eckel rule. Here how many pi electrons we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4n plus 2 is equal to 5. N is equal to, we will get 2. Then it is follows. This is 6, obviously follows. This is 4, no, it not follows. It is anti-aromatic. It is aromatic, aromatic, anti-aromatic. This is also not follows. Then if you come for this 2, n is equal to 0, it will follows. 8, no follows. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 4n plus 2 is equal to 14. N is equal to 3. Then it is obviously it is follows. It is follows, my dear students. Yes, this is follows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 compound which follows Eckel rule. Then the answer is option E. Option E is the correct answer. Next question. This is also your out of syllabus question. By using solid state, by the solid state, what fraction of 1 digit? Answer is very simple, 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 4, but it is out of question, we not required. Next question, my dear students. You can see here, we have a more question from your inorganic and organic compared to the physical in the paper. Okay, you need to focus more on inorganic and organic. And also, I am not telling you guys don't leave the physical, but your SUHAS are giving us some topic for the physical. Please follow those topics. Students, look here the question. Which among the following options is the correct relation between change in enthalpy and change in internal energy? We can easily say delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT. This is the relation. Next question. Okay. Next question from your redox reaction. They are giving a ABC value, we need to balance that one. My dear students, come on, I will give you one trick how to balance this one. Balance the reaction. First, identify which is oxidizing agent, reducing agent, otherwise write down the reaction, I will say you. Cr2O7 2 minus is there, plus S432 2 minus is there, then it will gives you chromium Cr plus 3, then sulfate is there. Here find out the oxidation number first. In this molecule, chromium oxidation number 2x plus minus 14, that is equal to minus 2. If it's for transfer for this side, it will become plus 14, means 12. 2x is equal to 12. 2 1s are 2 6 are. Okay, 2 1s are 2 6 are. Then oxidation state value for the chromium is plus 6. Then if you come for the sulfate, here my dear bacho, look here. Minus 2 is there. Here minus 6. If you transfer this side, it will become minus plus 6. It is plus 4. In this case, plus 3. In this case, plus 6. In this case, minus 8, minus 2. Transfer this side, plus 8, plus 6, it will become plus 6. Okay. What is the n factor of this one? Here 2 is there. You need to divide now. You need to divide. Here 2 is changes. Here you need to manage also. Simply multiply this with this one. Not multiply here. Already we have a 2 chromium. Multiply the change in electron here. The change in electron for this one. And multiply this change in. How many electrons are changing? 3. Then multiply this with a 3. Okay, multiply this with a 3. Then you can easily get the answer 1 3. Where is 1 3 is there? Here you have a 1 3. Here you have a 1 3. Then the answer is option A. Then you need to balance the remaining oxygen. Total how many oxygen you have in this side? 7 or and plus 9. It is nothing but 16 is there. Here 3 4s are 12 is there. Still you required 4 na. H plus they are mentioning 4H2O plus 8H plus. 8H plus. You will get the answer. You will get the answer. Very simple. You will get the answer. You will get the answer. Next question, boys. Next question, my dear students. The next question is, they are giving an equilibrium constant of the species. This is the values, and the respectively at 300 Kelvin. We need to find out the delta G naught. What is the relation between delta G naught? What is the relation of a delta G naught? Free energy relation. Delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln K na. First find out the K here, equilibrium concentration. Kc is equal to, my dear students, concentration of a product divided by reactant na. Concentration of C divided by concentration D, concentration A, concentration B. They are mentioning the values. 10 for the C, 10 into 6, 2 into 3. 10 6 are kitne? 60. 2 3 is 6. Then your value, K value is 10. Then you need to convert ln to log. Ln to log. How to convert this one? Simply multiply with a 2.303 into R. What is the R value? They are mentioning in a calorie. R value is 2. R is 2. Temperature is 300. Then ln Q. Ln 10 value. Log 10. Here not ln, log. What is the log 10 value? Log 10 value is 1. Here in the door, few my students are there. They are giving the log value. Good guys. Here what is the value? If you multiply this value, you will get a minus 1381.80. Very easy question. See here, my dear students, now your SUHAS sir is predicting a paper. This time you are repeated, the paper is repeated as a 2023. Chemistry is come as a easy if you subscribe the channel. If you subscribe the channel, your chemistry paper will be easy. This is SUHAS sir specials. Okay, next question. Pumica stone is an example. Solution chapter. It is a solid solution. It is a solid solution. Okay, next question. The next question. Identify the major product obtained in the following reaction. Silver ammonical solution. It is also called as a tolerance test. It is also called as a what? Tolerance test. Here, very simple tolerance test. What it will happen? Tolerance test. It will oxidize the aldehyde molecule, not the ketone molecule. It will oxidize the aldehyde molecule to corresponding carboxylate ion. Here in all options, my dear students, option A, alcohol is there. Here alcohol is there, and also it will never do anything for our ketone molecule. For ketone molecule, it will never do anything. Only it will oxidize the aldehyde molecule. That's why the answer is option C. It is very easy. Option C. Clear? Next question. Let's come for the next. Here you can see in the second section more organic questions are there. The next question, it is ABCD, but actually easy question. Look here. If you do the reduction for the aldehyde, what you will get? You will get an alcohol here. Primary alcohol, na? CH3CH2OH you will get. Here H2SO4 means dehydration reaction. What we will get? You will get the alkene molecule in the case of a B. What you will get? You will get the alkene molecule. Further on, HBr. Any peroxide they are mentioning? No sir. Marconi rule hai bhai. Then Br molecule H it will add it. Then you will get bromoethane. Here, sodium in the presence of dry ether means Hoods fatigue reaction. Hoods reaction, same alkyl molecule, alkyl halide. Fatigue, aryl halide, aryl halide. What you will get? Biphenyls. Hoods fatigue means alkyl aryl. Combine with this one. Remove karo those two. Then you will get the product. What is the product? Option A. Option A. They are mentioning A, B, C, D, but it is easy. They are mentioning A, B, C, D, my dear bacho, but it is easy. Clear? I hope it's clear. Next question. It is from your again organic. If it's organic is there, within a second your SUHAS give answer. If you watch the your SUHAS class, you are also giving within a second. The question is, which among the following will most readily dehydrated? Very simple. OH group is there. It is readily dehydrated. You can choose option 2. But why not this one? Here, look here. Nitro. It is a withdrawing group. If it's withdraw the electron, then here we need to form a either double bond. Now, it is not possible. Is there? Again, in this case also. But here we have a donating group. You can easily get the answer, my dear students. In all these 4 options, what is the major difference? In this 3, you have a withdrawing group. In this option B, you don't have any withdraw. You have a donating group. That's why the answer is option 2. Very easy. Okay. Next, almost we are at the last few questions. The question is, given 2 statement, the nutrition deficient water bodies led to eutrophication. Yes, obviously is correct. Statement 1. Statement 2, eutrophication leads to the decrease in the level of oxygen in the water bodies. Answer is option A. Both are true. It is already out of the syllabus question. Don't worry. Okay. It is actually from your surface chemistry. Just leave that question. It is out of syllabus question. Next question, my dear students. Again, alcohol chapter. The question is, you have a ether molecule. What is ether molecule, my dear bacho? Ether molecule is ROR bond. ROR bond. It is ether molecule. Here I already mentioned you. Whenever HI is happens, it is dependent. Iodine, it is always attack for the lesser or the small atom because due to the steric hindrance. But if you have a phenylic compound, phenylic we are called as a phenylic alkoxide, like phenoxide ion, phenoxide compound you have, then it is always obtain a phenol. Maybe it concentrated, maybe it will excess, maybe it will 1 mole. It will always form that one. We already know. Phenol molecule we can't convert it as a haloarenes or aryl halides. Why? Because the lone pair it forms a partial hydrolysis. That's why it can't. That's why the answer where is phenol? Here in these two phenols we have the answer is option 3 because CH2 I will be attacking now. One is attacked by a halide and the another will with a form as a alcohol. Clear? Next question. This is the last question. This is also your out of syllabus question. The question is the reaction does not take place in a blast furnace. Metallurgy question. Option A. Option A, it can't possible. Okay, my dear bachcho, finally we done with the 2023 paper. In 2023 paper, the main thing is few questions are out of syllabus. Approximately 5 to 6 questions are out of syllabus. If you analyze the overall question, the difficulty level is very low compared to 2024 and the 2022 according to your SUHAS prediction. In this case, you have a more question, in this case more question from your organic part, and the second part they are giving a preference for the inorganic, and the last part is the physical chemistry. Today finally we done with the 2024 and 2023. Finally, I hope you understand the entire 2024 and 2023. Okay, 2024 and 2023 is clear. My dear students, thank you so much for watching the video till end. Someone is typing Hindi. Arey, my dear, I don't know Hindi. हमको Hindi थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है due to my team, due to the Rajendra sir and the Shantanu sir and the that Abhi sir and the especially Ayan sir.
Sir, you reminded me.
Yes sir, come sir.
What's going on, sir?
Sir, finally we done with the 2023 paper, guys. 2023 is done. Yes sir, I am done.
Okay.
In the next few minutes, Abhi sir is coming for the live. Arey bhai, aajo na. If you want Hindi, ask him.
What? क्या चाहिए बताओ.
क्या चाहिए?
हिंदी में क्या चाहिए?
हिंदी में क्या चाहिए? हिंदी में इसके लिए nothing will चाहिए भाई. Students, finally we done with the 2024-2023 analysis. Finally, in the last days, these PYQs are very important. We will come with a new idea.
Please, students, like, share. Suhas sir have not even taken his dinner and
dinner. बिना खाना खाए वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर. बिना खाना खाए.
Please appreciate his efforts. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
The session.
Actually, guys.
Happy Holi to all of you. I wanted to
in advance
happy Holi, guys. Look here. This is the best team of a Tapasya. Physics, chemistry, bio we have. PCB we have. If you follow the Tapasya, you will succeed in your NEET exam. Love you all. Thank you so much. Next class is our Abhi sir's class. Okay, bye. Love you all. Take care, everyone. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye. All three gods. Oh my God. Thank you so much. You're not taking live, bye. End हो गया.
तू समझ लो कि मैं मुझे पढ़ाना है कि नहीं पढ़ाना है.
क्या मन नहीं कर रहा है यार.
चले भाई चले.